everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, we're talking about Uthando Nesthembu, season 6 episode 4 esazodlala ke ku channel 161 Mzansi Magic this coming Thursday. The meeting about number 5 was called and everyone was there. Macele, Mayeni, Makhumalo and Mangwabe. Musa surprised his wives when he said ngeka samthathu number 5. Khona lapho he revealed ukuthi kodwa ukhona osempilweni yakhe. It's not Makhumalo anymore, it's now Mamtolo from Durban. Mayeni asked her name and Musa said because akamlobodile futhi akazomenza unkosikazi wakhe ucela ungalisho ke igama lakhe. Musa also revealed he have a lot of girlfriend which I don't know what the difference between uMamtolo namanye ama girlfriend kaMseleku. Musa started crying guys ngenxa ukuthi akasakwazi ukugana omunye umfazi. Abaningi ke bathe inyembezi kaMusa inyembezi zengwenye zeqide kahle kahle ayikho nje into ayikhala. Even Makhumalo confirmed ukuthi uMusa usile vele. Ngize ngathi ke mina ngize ngathi maybe he thought ukuthi if ekhala bazovuma oMayeni noMangwabe kodwa lutho ukhale waze wayisula inyembezi waze wathula. Musa asked if Macele want to see uMamtolo. She said no ngoba ngeke vele abe umfazi kaMseleka akafuni nokumbona akahlangana nama girlfriend kaMusa Mseleku. So yeah guys, number 5 have been cancelled. She will remain uNdlunkulu ama girlfriend ke yena nango phela evezwe yedwa ngokukhethekile uMamtolo. That's all I have for today. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.